Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. In this Power Automate tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to auto-save Gmail attachments to Google Drive from a designated sender. Open Power Automate in your browser, click on Create, select Automated Cloud Flow, click Skip here. Now go ahead and rename your flow. By default, it's set to Untitled. I will go ahead and call it Gmail Attachments. Let's hide Copilot, add a trigger option, zoom in a little bit so it looks better. There we go. Click on add a trigger and now search for Gmail. Select when a new email arrives trigger. This will show you settings for this trigger on the left hand side. As you can see, make sure your Gmail account is connected. Go to advanced parameters and select from field. Now enter the email address of the sender. So if we receive any email from this sender and that email has any attachments, we would like those attachments to be saved automatically to our Google Drive. So under has attachment, select yes. Under include attachment, select yes. Now I will adjust the interval time for this flow, which pretty much means Power Automate will now look for any email from this sender every 1 minute instead of default of 3 minutes. Go ahead and click on add action in the search field. Search for Google Drive. Select create a file. This is called an action. It will show you settings for actions on the left hand side. Click on the folder, then navigate to the folder where you want to save the attachments. In their file name, click on the blue lightning bolt again and select attachment's name. Type comma here. Now click on the lightning bolt again. Click on see more. Scroll down. And now look for received date time. This will give unique name to every attachment that's saved to Google Drive. Under File Content, click on Lightning Bolt and select Attachments Content. This is the content of the attachment. This is by default added under for each loop. So every attachment in the incoming email is saved to Google Drive, not just one attachment. Save our flow. This is our Google Drive where files will be saved, our Outlook account, the sender account, and this is a Gmail, which is the receiver account. Now let's go ahead and draft an email from our Outlook account and send it to our Gmail account. This is the receiver Gmail account. Any subject, doesn't matter. Let's add test for now. And then I'll go ahead and attach a few blank test files I've created for this purpose. Click open and they're getting uploaded. There we go. Click send. Let's go to our Gmail account. Let's wait for the email to arrive. It should arrive any moment right here. And there we go. This is our email. Now let's go to Power Automate. Click back and see if our flow ran. Remember, I changed the interval time from 3 minutes to 1 minute. So every 1 minute, this Power Automate flow should run and look if our Gmail account received any email from our admin account. Click refresh. It should show up any moment. And there we go. It's currently running. So I will click on this run and see the flow running in real time if it hasn't executed. Yes, it's still running. It's going through every attachment in that email and saving it to my Google Drive account. As you can see, there we go. Our flow ran successfully. And those attachments will be under Power Automate folder, Gmail attachments, and here we go. As you can see, every attachment has a unique file name because we used received date time field. So this is how you create a Power Automate flow that auto-saves all attachments from an email to Google Drive from a designated sender. As you can see, this is the email we received from our admin account under Youverse LLC tenant in our Gmail, and all our attachments were saved to Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your time and subscribe for more.